Let's clean our house. Important points: making a house clean, proper drainage system, and important tips. Mr. Advait has a beautiful house. It has 4 bedrooms, a drawing cum dining room, 3 bathrooms, and a kitchen. There is a courtyard with a green lawn at the back of his house where he sits with his family in the evening. There is a beautiful garden also in front of his house with flower pots and a swing. This house is an ideal one. This house is neat and clean. There are enough windows and ventilators in the house. Windows allow air and sunlight to enter the house. Sunlight is necessary for us because it gives us vitamin D, which keeps our bones healthy and strong. It kills the germs and keeps the house dry. We need fresh air to breathe. Fresh air makes us healthy. Did you know? A ventilator is a small window located high on the wall. Doors and windows have wire netting. It keeps flies and mosquitoes away and dust does not get inside. A good house has some ventilators. Any stale air in the rooms goes out through the ventilator. This house has open spaces like verandas or courtyards. Mr. Advait's wife puts out the bed clothes in the sunlight to keep the damp away. She dries washed clothes on the clothesline in the veranda. She also puts the shoes and winter clothes in the sunlight for a few hours to keep away mildew. Advait and his family sit in the garden when his friends visit his house. They have a gardener to maintain his garden and lawn. In this house, drain outlets are covered and fitted to prevent breeding of mosquitoes and other insects. Let's talk about making a house clean, making bed and washing clothes. We should make our bed as soon as we get up in the morning. We should arrange the clothes, shoes, books, and other items that make the bedroom untidy. We should help our mother wash the clothes in a washing machine in the bathroom. We should also help to dry the clothes in the clothesline. Cleaning the kitchen. We should wash the dishes every day. We must clean the kitchen, shelf, sink, and stove every week with a cleaner. Use a sink strainer in the sink to prevent food bits from getting into the drain. Food particles often block the free flow of water when we wash utensils. Clean the dining table immediately after eating, throw away trash, and put away leftovers. Did you know the kitchen and the bathroom are the 2 most high traffic areas in a house? Cleaning washrooms. We should clean the washroom, including the sink, tap handles, toilet, and the surrounding area every day with a cleaner. Rinse or leave a spray-on cleaner in the shower or tub after use. Scrub the toilet. Clean the floors. Clean any spills on the floor as soon as it happens. We should mop the kitchen and the washroom floor. We must place the dirty clothes in a hamper as soon as we change our clothes. We should hang up items like jackets when we take them off. Waste management. We should throw the waste into the waste bin. It is wrong to keep our house clean but dump the waste in front of a neighbor's house. We should have 2 separate dustbins. One for the biodegradable items like fruit and vegetable peels and leaves collected from the garden. You can make a compost pit at one corner of the garden in which you can put this type of waste to make manure. The second dustbin is for waste that is non-biodegradable. They do not decompose easily. The garbage truck collects this type of waste from our house daily. Did you know? The amount of waste we generate has tripled since 1960. Proper drainage system. The drainage system in a good house must be covered. Mosquitoes breed in dirty water and spread diseases like malaria. We should clean the drains regularly to prevent blockage. We should not use plastic bags as they do not decay and get stuck in the drains. Plastic bags are also harmful to animals that consume them along with food items in the garbage. We should use cloth bags or paper bags. Important tips. We should not wear shoes while in our house. It helps us to reduce dirt and dust. We should have proper places for shoes, bills, coats, and school supplies. We should keep all the objects at their proper places. Quick sum up. We should make our bed as soon as we get up in the morning. We should clean the dining table immediately after eating, throw away trash and put away leftovers. Mosquitoes breed in dirty water and spread diseases like malaria. We should not wear shoes in our house. It helps us to reduce dirt and dust. Glossary: a courtyard is an unroofed area closed by walls. Breeding is the mating and production of young ones by animals and insects. Pit is a large hole in the ground. Manure is the animal dung that we use to make the land fertile. Here's the mind map. Making a house clean. Making bed and washing clothes, cleaning the kitchen, cleaning the washroom, clean the floors, waste management, and a proper drainage system.